Welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to learn verbs. And this is going to be like a vocabulary. So, I am going to say random words and then we are going to form a sentence. If you have been following these classes, you realize that some of the words we have already covered. All you have to do is go back to the other videos and try to learn from there. Dumela, jaaka se tsa buile. Re tla lefoko la ntlha. Lefoko la ntlha ke simolola. Start. Simolotse Started. Kopa Ask. Kopile Asked. Robala Sleep. Robetse Slept. Feta Pass. Passed. Letsa Call. Leditse Called. Go. Tsamaya Tsamaile. I'm starting to read. Simolola have started to read. Simolotse bala. I am asking. Kopa. I have asked. Kopile. I'm going to sleep. Robala. I slept. Sorry. Robetse. Sorry. Ketla feta nako ya bongwe. I will pass around 1 o'clock. Fitile nako ya bongwe. I passed around 1 o'clock. I will call. I have called. Tshwanetse go tsamaya. I have to go. Tsamaile. I went. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Thank you. Okay. Subscribe. Well, guys, thank you so much for learning this today. Until we meet again next time. For those who have not subscribed yet, please say it with me. Subscribe. Subscribe. Bye. Bye. Okay, for real this time. Bye. Bye. Go siame. Salang sentle. Okay, that was the corniest lesson you've ever seen. But we want you to learn Setswana like. That's why we make it corny. You always remember this corniest lesson you've seen. Bye.